Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add free ringtones to your iPhone, or also you can make your custom ringtone to your iPhone. So there are two things. One, you need to download this app called GarageBand. So it's 1.6 GB. You need to ignore that space. So next up is you need a ringtone. So for now I'm using this site BGM ringtone. So from here we can download song. So I will download for now. Okay, this one first one. Anyway, it's a sample. So now download. So let's say it takes a time, but it's worth. Okay, it's done. Download is done. So if we go for here also, it is a files. In files download. Okay, and it's here, Anthony Soul BGM. So next we will open GarageBand app. In that, open anything you will open it, no issues. So click. So now top right corner, the three, okay, three top right, third one, that multiple boxes one, click that. It's changed to mic. So now top right, uh, beside settings you will find that a string, click that. And files, now browse, select ringtone which you want. So we'll select Anthony Soul BGM, selected, and it will take some time. Wait, oh, it's came. So tap long press and drag, done. Now what you need to do is top left, okay, you will find down arrow button, click that. My song, it's saved as my song. So keep on press, long press, then share. You will find ringtone. Tap to create a ringtone, custom ringtone for your iPhone. That's it guys, easy enough. So click ringtone. So export. Okay, before that let's rename it, export. Now this is the main step. Use ringtone as, use sound as standard ringtone, standard text tone, assign to your content. It's up to you. So we'll change. It's done guys, it's done. Your ringtone is changed. So let's check for some time. So you can see here more. I changed it to more. It came to my more. Then we'll go for my song. See, more, right? These two are custom made. Okay, so your ringtone is came. That's it guys, enjoy. If you liked this video, please share with your friends, and give us up and like, it would be helpful to me a lot. So thank you.